Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about ZKSync ZK-USDT trading pair with my customer set updates. Let's dive in. Guys, I don't want to comment this type of price section because for me, all of this stuff, when the team trying to explain is some hacks, some issues, some bugs or what, it's craziness. Why you even land the project and treat the people, we are some touch, you need this touch, you need this solution, you need this layer 0, layer 1, layer 3, whatever. If you're talking dump like crazy just because of some issue, why you start the startup, and treat the people to invest in it if your products are not so good? This is a greatest example, guys. The fundamental absolutely doesn't matter. And I explained it to you a million times. So we can track only the price section, and the price section never lie. But at the current moment, we can't know the plan of venture funds who invested it on the early stage. We can't know the team. We can't know the unlocks, the multi-hacking who get an airdrop, how many people, hold the amount of tokens, but on different wallets. So we see like on-chain, everything transparently. But we see like, there is, for example, like 1,000 wallets, different ones. So there's no big whales hold it. But guys, how we can know this, for example, 1,000 wallets, it's 500 of them. It's not one person or one team. We can't know. We can't know in a moment, guys. That's why, guys, we work only with the price section and risk management. After listing, I share with you the video. So on other exchanges, it's invalidated idea. On SGX, still relevant idea. This was the best zone for accumulation. Of course, nobody could predict the hacks or whatever, some things what we can't control on a chart. But here we got a listing, people screaming we're going to the moon because people, so emotional and they believe every single token should pump like Celestia. After that, you remember, we dump it in August 24 to the best zone to buy and bounce it almost 300%. 27 block was a great time to fix the profit, to fix some amount of profit, this one. And this zone still the relevant to fix a profit. Now we get an order flow on a weekly. Since December 24, we formed the good short order flow from sellers. But for every single week, it's someone stop losses like usual, and we got like this one, 0.5 level by FIB, it's 14 cents 21. It's a monthly gap. Believe it or not, but if this token not a pure scam and if BTC dominance will go under 50%, for example, it will be, I think, not so difficult to reach the fulfill of monthly gap, 14 cents 50. 14 cents 15, for example, like this one. Accumulate now or not, it's only up to you. I skip this one. I skip the layer 0. I skip the ZKSync, I skip all of these tokens, right? Layer 3, right? I have zero interest in it. I invested only in StarkNet, but now I'm in losses. I'm in losses because I couldn't even realize that the StarkNet will dump on the listing price. So yes, keep in mind that the ZKSync can dump like StarkNet, for example, here. So it's possible. It's possible to see. So just in case, guys, be careful, be careful. Now, based on the risk rewards, it's good time to accumulate token if this token not a pure scam. We can't know in the moment, no matter what fundamental research, what analysis are you doing with about a fundamental wallets team and all of this stuff, we can't know. Open the chart of Mantra, and take a look how some 6 or 7 wallets just dump the price, and after that the team say, no, it's just because of futures, it's just because of perpetual contracts liquidation. No, it's not. You start this liquidation because you get a lot of money to dump. So that's it, guys. So for swing trades, guys, will be not a mistake. For example, if you want to buy now at 7 cents, you want to buy now, here, 100% profit. This one, you fix the you withdraw initial deposit. This one, next step to fix 275, and for example, you can wait the new all-time high. I don't think so. If this token not a pure scam, I don't think so. 32 cents, it's an all-time high for this token. No, like speculation, of course, the whales can push the price even to $1. We can't know in a moment. That's why let's take a look with indicator set, guys. What's going on? Still a free on the market mode on the weekly. Kind of bad. Like an average, ADZ accumulation, not a distribution. It's good one. Lay down in the bottom of direction. It's good one. So yes, but guys, we can trade a long time period in this range. So I believe in let's say new all-time high if this is not a pure scam. But I will not touch this token. I don't want to. We got a chance to drop on the listing price, but it should happen something, an extraordinary, on the market. So we dump low. Here was a money outflow, no money. Now no money inflow. It's kind of bad, but we lay down at the bottom. So now based on risk reward, now it's much better time for accumulate than to sell, for example. Trade on weekly, no data. Daily sell, no take profit. So it's kind of strange. I mean, take profit, we need to see some like this one. Buy, take profit, sell, buy back, sell, only buy back. So it's like speculation on the daily 12 time frame. Of course, it was like here, sell, take profit, buy, speculation. Here was a signal to buy. And take a look. The last one is take profit indicator, guys. We dump it on the female value on the daily. Now try to hold a line at the buy line. Female take profit line, it's 14.49. Exit line 16.20. Good one. Weekly time frame, there is no data. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what you think about ZKSync. Highly recommend you go and check the first video what I shared with you here to understand the logic of indentation accumulation pump model. If you would like to trade with my customer success what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, his like button, his notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.